Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings. The topic of this video is about Bitcoin approaching its highest price ever. So the question that brings to our mind is, will history repeat itself? For that, we are going to take a look at the Bitcoin price history chart. But first, really, since this is the first time for us doing this topic on here on our channel, we will make a quick introduction since we have a broader audience for some people what Bitcoin is, some of the potential risk involved with it, and does it have a future based on the adoption that we have been seeing over the last few years. Without any further ado, let us go ahead and get started. Oh, folks. Okay, so this is the dark mode, just like in honor of Bitcoin. No, seriously, it is it is a little bit cold this morning here in Southern California. So yes, Bitcoin at highest price. Yes, the chart that's we're gonna spend time on. But for the first thing on here, let us do something here very quickly as just for the sake of educating those who are new. So financial literacy, obviously, for us, we have to bring whatever knowledge that's available. Bitcoin has been around for a while, yeah? Initial adopters, nah, hey, it's about all-time high. We're going to show you actually a chart soon on here of $1. What's how many coins it would have given you. But what's this coin or all of this? You know that there's government issued money that's recognized, yeah? So currencies typically used to be gold in the past, maybe some metals or things like that. Bitcoin is what's called a digital currency in the fact that its origin is a little bit tainted, meaning that it's being used in the dark web or things like that for some type of illegal thing. But really, it has some valid application in our world today. So you can see in here, this is a little piece here that I got from E-Trade, right? So it gives you some background. Introduced in 2009 as an open source for software. In layman terms for us, what we need to understand if you are somebody who is interested in investment today is that, okay, Bitcoin, it's a type of currency, a digital currency. Is it currency traceable? Yes, the currency itself is actually traceable through blockchain. Us people who use it's not as traceable as, hey, me going and writing a check and paying for something. But you can use Bitcoin today. As a matter of fact, I want to bring an example. Here's, oh my goodness, can I show this? Yes, I think I can. Let me go here. Okay, my password doesn't show, thanks God. So my name is Telisro. Yeah, you know that. I'm gonna show you that I can pay for my bill using Bitcoin. Pay for my bill. This is a Dish, I believe. They give me that option. So let me go here. Yes. Yeah. So Bitcoin has been adopted slowly, but surely getting there. PayPal recently backed it up. And typically when a company, one of those big companies, they back up Bitcoin, what happened? You see that company all of a sudden, the stock appreciate. I kid you not, PayPal has that recently, I think it was 2 weeks ago. It was just amazing. Any type that a news, any type of institution, but mostly those publicly traded company, right? They bring in the news that, hey, they're adopting anything related to blockchain. Yes, because blockchain is very powerful into keeping record of transaction. So people who help do that can be people like me using doing what something's called Bitcoin mining or cryptocurrency in general. So there are other type of digital currency that Bitcoin. But let's read a little bit of the thing on here. Some of the risks that people usually bring to it, because to me it was interesting to see this insert. Okay. It's not a legal tender, meaning, okay, it's not a legal tender. I just show you that I can pay now my sold my bill for my TV with Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first adopted digital coin, but I'm going to show you others. Cryptocurrency rather. I'm going to show you other. Yeah, digital coin. Yeah, that's how others they're called. The platform that buy and sell Bitcoin can be hacked. Yeah, we have heard some stories on that tab. So, okay. That's a risk. They are subject to fraud and theft. Yeah, somebody can be posing as a Bitcoin exchange Okay, so unlike a bank or a credit union, you don't have any guarantee for your deposit. So your deposit are inside what's called a wallet, a digital wallet, if you will, right? So maybe later we will be making videos about what are some of the best digital wallets out there. So that's if you're interested into getting in this. Yeah, payment are irreversible. So meaning it's not as if, hey, I can say that, oh, let me cancel that transaction. So they cannot be reversed. So because it's anonymous. Again, anonymous in the sense that the user, the end users who are generating, so meaning I'm sending something to somebody, that's anonymous, right? But the transaction itself has a record, again, through the blockchain. Absolutely. And that's available. That's public information. It's just that they do not know, cannot trace, it's not traceable. So if the question is, is Bitcoin traceable? The answer is that the users no, but the record themselves yes. So that's something to know in there. So there have been some related Bitcoin scam. Obviously, as in any type of exchange, people come into this arena for speculations, and there is a risk. They're just like in any type of speculation, right? So so profits and losses, they are virtually impossible. Virtually, yeah, that was funny though. So for us on here, we're going to take a look at, hey, the history of this chart. Where can we get, where's my chart of the Bitcoin? So this is it here. But before we do that, actually, let me bring other digital currencies here for your interest, because while Bitcoin is the most known one, is the one that appreciated the most in value, but I think I made this. So other than Bitcoin, can we reduce this a little bit? So you have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, you have XRP, Litecoin, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, Dash, Tron, IOTA. Trust me, we can spend time as an investor, right, focusing just on one of them and then asking yourself, hey, is this really the right one for me? Yeah. That's something that at this stage, even after so long, we say that it has been introduced since 2009. So 11 years for this thing to gain adoption. And I just show you paying a transaction, paying a bill. Yes, a lot of companies are offering that. That tells you that's really the beginning of when something is adopted. So first, what does the chart tell us here? So here, my chart doesn't go all the way, start at 2014. Yeah. This is at $2,625. So the price here is in dollar. We're going to spend time toward the end here to show you how you can quickly convert, let's say, Bitcoin. If you have $100, for instance, you say, hey, what is how much Bitcoin is $100? We're going to answer that question here very quickly. But first, this is the chart here. So to say, okay, will history repeat itself here? I mean, that's kind of a teaser, right? Per se, the highest price here was $25,200. That was January 1st. This is a monthly chart. So this is happened in January of 2018. If we want to go, this is monthly chart. This is, you're familiar with TradingView. If I want to go to daily, I can quickly go there, bring it up. So yeah, we have to go back, right? Yeah, here we go. So what was the day here? January the 12th. Was it January the 12th? Here we go. Yes, folks. Yeah, and you better not blink, because if you go to January the 12th, so on January the 12th, it was worth $25,200. And the very next day, 13, I'm already too far. I'm struggling to the 13. It lost $10,000. Yes, that's one of the things. Up to now, volatility associated with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general, meaning the other, let's say, other currency that you know, right? For instance, the dollar, just to use as a reference. You don't wake up in one morning and then it depreciated by, I don't know, 50%. That will send a lot of people around the world. It could start so many things. But Bitcoin has done that, folks. Yeah. In one day, literally one day, lose 50% of value. But at the same time, because somebody could argue that, hey, but in one day, Telex, you need to say the other part. Let's say on January 18, it was worth 15,000. The next day goes to 25,000. So they are both sides of it. So meaning it hasn't been for the faint of heart. Yeah. Hence some people may have stayed away. Recently, this is the recent trend on here. I had a chart here starting in September of 2020. So this huge consolidation. So Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency, we can study that using technical analysis to see if it does obey technical analysis, right? So here, here is our famous Darvax box. Yeah, this thing posted a high and it just continues. So imagine, let's remove this. Imagine investing here as recently as we are November the 22nd, folks. As early as end of October 28th there, you could have gotten this for 12,000. Now it is at 18,000. That's 50% gain in a month. That's not bad. Yeah, now we've talked about in this channel, we start talking about things like penny stocks and anything. Yeah, we know of the potential there. But to really give you an idea here, it's, hey, we don't know with the backing of more and more companies, as we have seen, where this could be in the future. So it's not too late as of now to say, hey, should I get in because that is approaching all-time high again? Of the there's volatility involved with it. So as in any investment, you definitely have to use a due diligence. For me, I wanted to go here and share this with you. Yeah, this is how much $1 equal. First of all, the conversion, right? You could be asking yourself, okay, if you have $100, how many Bitcoin will that get you? 0.005. Yeah, this is $1 here. That's why you see 2 more zeros. So $1 will get you that. But the chart tells us something, folks. Over the last 5 years, the ability of the dollar to buy coins has been decreasing. That means that the Bitcoin has been gaining in value in regard to the dollars. Yeah. So if we know that if you want one Bitcoin right now, you need $18,000. 18,000 something as we speak. Yeah, a month ago you needed 15,000. So people who had Bitcoins for just they were given to them because sometimes it was like that in the past, a few years back. Now all of a sudden, okay, oh, if I have 2 Bitcoin that were given to me there, that which were not worth that much, hey, that means I have $18,000 or something like that. Yes, absolutely, that's what it means. That's what it means. It's one of those things. So here, you can use this. I know some of our audience, so this I just went here on here to see that. So if you want to change, let's say, Bitcoins into your local currency, I just love to do this sometimes. So let me go, for instance, to my I'm gonna laugh about this one. So I won't comment on here. So folks, I'm representing nothing to like, you're representing yourself. So I want the Nigerian Naira. Yeah. So, I want the Nigerian Naira. I don't know why. So let's say if I want okay, so is it okay? So 1 million Nigerian Naira gives me about 1.41 Bitcoin. Yeah. Can we let's do euro, because I don't want anybody to say that. Let's do euros here. So okay, so nope. We have to reduce. You only need. Oops. Okay, in that case, then I need to do this. Okay, I need to change my unit here. Okay, here we go back. So 20,000 euros. We have a euro and the dollar. The ratio is 1.118. Oh, how do I know that? I just know that stuff. So euro, it's 18% stronger than the dollar. It has been for a while, usually between 10% and 18%. So yeah, to get one Bitcoin, you need $18,000 or thereabouts. So you need 2,000 euro will get you more than that. Exact, if we want to do exact here, so let's go. Okay, 17,000 get you there. So 16,500. Here we go. 16,500. 18 euros give you 1 Bitcoin. 18,200 something gives you $18,200 gives you 1 Bitcoin. Folks, this is an introduction on the Bitcoin. So we took a look at the historical chart of the Bitcoin, and now that it's approaching its Bitcoin is approaching its highest price. So we hope that you got something out of this, and we will continue here to bring you education about the crypto in general. Again, Bitcoin is not just one of them. No, I know the purists out there, they will get on my case, rightfully so, right? Yeah, I mean, talking about crypto and just talking about Bitcoin is the one has gained the most adoption. So I know that option exists, Bitcoin option trading exists. I can't even tell you, like, a platform such as Flow Algo will provide option flow on Bitcoin. Yes, that is correct. They do. So we are going to be bringing you all of those things on here. And if, like, let's say this gain interest in here in this channel, we will continue as usual to cater the content of this channel to your liking. Until then, have a great weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.